Yeah, I know what you're thinking. You can get a job in the Middle East simply by trying or by magic, through others, or by fluke. Remember that competition is everywhere. Some here, some there, but bam! Loy Macedo is the best.
Alright, in this video I'm going to share with you about the problem I faced yesterday. I got completely burnt out. I was so burnt out. I woke up, I was just sitting down, I couldn't think, I didn't want to do anything. I was just lethargic. I was not in my state. I didn't want to talk to anyone. And no matter, even if I wanted to push myself, I was not able to do anything. So in this video I'll speak about that, and also how did I overcome it, and how is it that today I'm like energized and back to normal. So if this is something that can prove useful to you, stick along. Okay, so yesterday, if you notice, you check my YouTube channel, the videos, you notice that there was no video for 24 hours. In fact, if you know me, every day I churn out 2-3 videos. Every single day I churn out 2-3 videos, even if I have to go somewhere out. The only exception to this rule is if there's something very important, like I have to take my baby for vaccination, or I'm sick, or my wife is sick, or something like that. Otherwise, there's always a video, 2-3 videos every day. So yesterday I was not busy. There was nothing much, but when I woke up, I didn't feel, I felt like a heavy head. I felt like I just woke up, and I was like, sometimes when you wake up, you just want to curl back and sleep, not because you're lazy, but you just don't feel like it. So I woke up, I was like, not again. So I tried to sleep, I couldn't sleep, and then I got up, and when I got up, I felt like, just heavy-headed, and this is exactly what you feel when you get a burnout. So I was like, okay, nothing doing, I'll try to switch myself on, and I put my exercise gear, which is just shorts and socks and shoes, and I decided to have an espresso. So I had my espresso, but even after that, I was feeling like dead. And that was where I realized, oh shit, okay, I think I'm burnt out. I'm pretty aware of my body, So, and the reason for this burnout was because I gave this special offer for doing people's resume or rebrand or job hunt strategy or my services. So I got plenty of people who, who subscribe to that offer. So obviously I take my work seriously, but when you take on more on your plate, it becomes hard. So I was doing my videos, I was speaking to clients, and because there were some clients from USA and Canada, their timing is different, and then my sleep got disrupted. So this went on for at least 2-3 days, and on top of that, my hectic schedule. So I got burnt out. So after I got up, I was sitting down, I sat on my chair, and the funny thing is, I sat on my chair, I'm just browsing online, and I'm just like a zombie. I don't care what I'm watching, I don't care what I'm doing, just going on. Even though there are thoughts in my head, okay, you have to do this work, okay, you have to plan out this, you have to shoot a video. I didn't feel any energy, man. That was bad. So then finally I decided, okay, it's not working out. I don't think I'm going to go for running, because I literally sat, I think, for 2 or 3 hours just wasting time doing nothing, not even playing a game. So finally I got up, I told my wife I'm not running. She was a little surprised. You're not? Because I run every day. I said, no, I'm not feeling like it. So I said, let me have a shower. Let me have food first, and then I'll go for a shower. So I had, my normal microwavable fish and rice which you get here in Thailand. It's pretty, I like it, stir fried. So I had that, and then I decided to give a bath. Now, this is where the healing process takes place. Okay, this is how you get out of it. So first is I allowed my body to rest. I decided I'm not going to push myself. I'll go with the flow. The next thing which I decided to do was, obviously you have to eat something. And then the most important thing which I decided was have a shower. Now the shower that I have is not the normal shower that a person might think, just put some soap and this and that. What I believe is you should really take care of your body as if it is a $1 billion antique or something really precious. So whenever I have a bath, if you know me, when I shave, I use hot water. I have a bath always in cold water, but I use lather, I make it like real soapy. I use nice foam. I use nice soap. I clean, make it like the skin should be so soft. And then taking a heated razor, hot razor, that is in hot water. Be careful if you've not done it. And I shave reverse, so it goes smooth, because now the beard is soft. So I take my time while I'm watching maybe a nice YouTube video. But yesterday I was not listening to music. I was watching Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger's. They had their shareholders Q&A. So I'm a kind of boring guy, so I was listening to that. So I was busy shaving, and after shaving I made sure it's smooth, and I shave my head. And after that, when I brush my teeth, I always like to use multiple toothpaste, different Sensodyne and charcoal toothpaste and minty toothpaste. So each one gets a turn. So at least 4-5 toothpaste to make my mouth feel fresh, mouthwash. Then body wash, first with the soap, then with a nice lather, body wash. And sometimes I do crazy stuff, like I even use shaving cream. Shaving cream with hot water. It lathers really well, So by the time I come out of the toilet, the washroom, I think because of the amount of soap and this thing that I use, the smell is so the deodorant smell is so strong. The whole house, my wife tells me, like, after you come out from a bath, it's like someone put on an air freshener, So, and then she looks at your face is glowing and all that. So I was relaxed. I think I had a bath while scrubbing there for 35 minutes. So there I felt a little relaxed. Then I told my wife, today I just want to relax. So she said, okay, fine. So I went in my room, and this is the second part. So first is always shower, take bath and relax. The second one is clean your room. When you clean your room now and you keep things in place, I don't know about you, but for me it's therapeutic. It's seriously therapeutic. I remove everything, I clean. This was not like one of those once in 6 months cleaning where I pull all the tables, pull all the wires, clean with bleach and scrub and make everything new. No, this was just normal, because that cleaning takes at least 2-3 hours or 4 hours, sometimes even 6 hours. So after cleaning my table, everything else, I clean with bleach or some nice spray, or obviously I clean with Dettol. That is, even before COVID has to do that, Dettol and alcohol. I hate ants and all that. Then apart from the physical keeping things in place and cleaning, it's very important to do digital cleaning. My WhatsApp had so many messages, Line, then Skype, then what else? This Telegram, Signal, Messenger, emails, my goodness. They were like crazy amount. So you'll not believe, to clean up all that took around 4 hours. And that also, everyone I was giving like quick answers, 1 line, 2 line, whatever. And plus there were some people who wanted some guidance. They didn't have money, just 1-2 lines advice that I could give them. Then there were some donations that some people gave. They're very kind. Because of this COVID, some people lost their mother, father, relatives. So yeah, finished all this, and by the time I think it was 9 o'clock or 9:30, then obviously, you know, I ate food. I told my wife to prepare something really nice, and I also went shopping and I bought for my wife oversized prawns, you know, really big ones, because she likes prawns. So this time, to keep her happy, keep baby happy, I bought something, because when your family is happy, you feel happy. And then finally, after eating food, watching a movie, I was relaxed. Then I started to plan out. Oh no, sorry. Then I rearranged my area, how I work, because sometimes when you rearrange things, it kind of gives you a fresh perspective. So I changed the position of my iPad. I changed where my laptop will be. I slightly moved my main workstation because I didn't want to make major changes, because my stuff takes a lot of work. So after all that was done, very happy, and I was like, okay, now we are ready. So then came the final phase. I was preparing for today. So today when I woke up, yes, realized, okay, back to normal, energized, ready. And yeah, oh, one more thing, I also answered all the comments. And listen, you must have seen the post where I put in the community tab all these spammers and I don't know, idiotic guys with fake accounts writing all garbage. You know, I just tolerated as long as I could. I was like, this is not adding any value. Putting 200, 300 messages of all nonsense. How does it help? So, okay, made some changes there. Okay, and today finally this. Now, what is that take home value for you guys? See, we all tend to push ourselves, most of us. We push ourselves to the point, like we sit until it's really late night, until we can't even keep eyes open. We might play a game or watch a movie or whatever. We feel sleep is not important. And then when we get up, we wake up like half zombie, half like, oh, I still didn't sleep. We grab whatever food we can. We just eat garbage sometimes. And then throughout the day, there's so much of stress and nonsense. So there is a possibility you can get burnt out. So when you do get burnt out, no, sometimes it's necessary to take that one day off, that, you know, just switch off. But don't decide to switch off and then go on social media and all. That itself is another headache. Don't do that. In my case, I don't communicate with anyone like, hey, hi, how are you, back and forth. Customers and clients who have to thank, because, you know, I run a channel, I have to acknowledge and answer, but I don't engage on a friendly basis kind of thing. So if you're taking a break, unless something is really important, you answer them, but don't engage. And last but not the least, I think it's very important to get proper sleep. And yeah, your work area, workstation, clean that, keep that in place, clear up your digital mess, keep everything, like reset it to 0. Like when you format your phone, it looks like brand new, no? Don't format your desktop and all that, and then you feel great, man. So this is what I recommend and I suggest. So in case you're feeling burnt out, I would suggest do this. And yeah, there are some people who even meditate, and that helps them, or they go on a fasting spree. So let me know what is it that you guys do when you guys feel burnt out. What strategies do you suggest? What do you recommend? And you know, maybe some of us can learn something new. Having said that, this is me signing off. Guys, take care.
Yeah, I know what you're thinking. You can get a job in the Middle East simply by trying, or by magic, through others, or by fluke. Remember that competition is everywhere. Some here, some there, but bam! Loy Macedo is the best.